Good morning, everybody. Well, it's Monday morning and we're heading for Bridgewater. We're going to start disassembling the flag stop station that was given to us. As you can see here, we got the trailer on and we're ready to go. We'll see you when we get there. Well, everybody, there she is. It's approximately 10 feet wide and 20 feet long. And this was a small little flag stop station that was along the railway. We're not quite sure where just yet, but we're hoping to find out. And this is what we're going to be disassembling over the next few days. I'll show you come around to the side of it here. There was a passenger side and a freight shed side, and I'll give you a shot here in the back in just a moment. And here from the other angle we can see it. There's a lot of salvageable materials on it, and we're going to be able to turn this into a really nice little display at the museum. So now it's time to get to work. We're going to start by removing all the shingles, and then we'll go from there. Here we are, folks. It's the end of day one. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we've done today. We've spent some time taking off some siding, and we took off the siding and took out this was the freight door here. We've taken that all apart. Actually, one of the doors was still there. The other one is gone, but we're going to be able to salvage one of the original doors, so that's going to be good. I'm just going to take you quickly inside here, and you can see that this is the area here. This was the freight section, and then over here on the other side there was a partition, a wall between these two pieces, and this was where the passengers would wait. You can see up here into the ceiling is where the smokestack from the stove went up through, and so the stove would be sitting right there. When we have this all finished, I have a stove that I can replace in here and make it look as if it was original. And so we'll be taking all this interior siding off very carefully and preserving that as well. So that's the end of day one. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.